Hello everyone. Today we are going to start with the topic HTML. As we all know, for doing the HTML tags, we need two things. First thing is Notepad and second thing is the Internet Explorer. As you can see at the bottom area, there is an option of Internet Explorer here. You can identify it with the symbol E. Next thing is how you can find out the Notepad. Just click on the start button, then type here Notepad. Then you can see the Notepad option will appear. Just click here. Notepad window will appear now. We can change the size of our font by clicking on font format, then font. We can increase or decrease the size of our font. Click on OK. Firstly, we are going to start with our very first tag, that is known as the HTML. Second is head. Then title. In title you can give any name of your choice. I am writing here. Now we'll close this title tag by using the slash like this. Next thing is close the head tag again by using the slash key. Now we'll start with the body tag. All the important tags will keep here. So I'm going to start with the attributes of the body tag. The very first attribute of body tag is BG color. And how we apply here? By writing the body tag, we'll give single space, then write down BG color here. See, the spelling of color is COLOR and there is no gap between BG and color. It is a single word. Now press equals to key, then double quotes. Now you can mention any color of your choice here. Suppose I have written here red color, again double quotes, then arrow key, and then we close the body tag by using the slash key. After that, finally we close the HTML tag. As we all know, HTML is not a case sensitive language, so we can write down any of the tag either in capital letter or small letter, or we can call in computer language it is a uppercase letter or lowercase letter. Now the next thing is how to save it. Just click on the file button, then save option is here. See, this window will appear. First of all, you need to know where you are going to save it. Suppose I am going to save this on desktop. Click on the desktop, then you type the name of your file. I have written here ABC. Now the most important thing is how to save it. See, here we need to give the extension. It is .html or we can write down .htm. Both the things have the same meanings. Now click on the save button. Let's minimize it. You can see on desktop, see, there is a option appear with the name ABC and this is a file of Internet Explorer. Let's click on it. Now see, the color of the background has been changed to red, that we have already given, and the name of your file that we have given in the title is My School. It is placed here. You can see. Now we can close it again, and or the most important thing is again go back to your Notepad area here. The next thing is, the next attribute we can say of body tag is the background. By using this attribute of body tag, we can apply any image as a background. So now we first need to find out the image here. Just click on the start button. You can write down here .jpg. As we all know, JPG is an extension of your image file. I'm going to take any of the image from here. You can see the item type means the type of image is JPG. It is given here in the square box. Let's click here. It is the image. you do the right click on this. There is an option of properties. Now this dialog box will appear. What happens now? Go to the general option. You click on this location area. As we can see, the location says where this image is actually placed. You just need to do one thing. Select this area till the end and do right click here. Click on the copy option and then close it, minimize it, and here after the quotes we just paste it. After pasting this, you can see the slashes are given here. The same slash will put here. I have put. Now again go to the same image as it is placed at the bottom area. We can see again right click on it, properties option will appear. Go to the general. You can see the name of the file is also given. It is Lighthouse. Just copy the name from here. And you can see there is a type of file, means its type is given dot, it is JPEG. So close it, minimize it. After this slash, we'll paste the name of this image. As we all have seen, the extension it was given, it is of JPEG. So in the last we write down here dot JPG. Sometimes what happens, whenever you write JPEG, it will not display your image. So we need to write down .jpg only. Then put the double quotes here. Fine. Now the next thing is just come to this area. By using this scroll bar, you can scroll the page here. Now click on file and then save again. Whatever the changes you are going to do in your notepad area, you need to save it again and again. Now minimize it. As we all know, we have saved this file with the name ABC. Let's have a look here. This is the file here. Let's click. You can see the image appear as a background here. So next attribute of our body tag is placing the left margin and the top margin. Where we place it? I'm going to erase these things. Writing here left margin equals to, you give the left margin in a numerical order. Suppose I have given here 50, single space. Then we can specify the same thing, top margin here only. Again we'll give the numerical order here. Suppose again I have given 50. It is of your choice. You can give any numerical order here. And after writing this, I'm just writing here my school is very good. Any of the sentence you can write down to check out. Let's save it again. Click on the file option, then save option. Again minimize the screen. You can see ABC file he is given here, my school. You can check there is a space of 50 from the top side and from the left side. See, if I am going to erase these margins now, you can check out the difference between. Let's erase it. Just body tag I have applied and I'm going to save it again. You can find out the difference between the top margin, left margin that we had given earlier and now where the margins are not given. Let's minimize it and then we again click here. Now see the gap between. Now the space has been reduced now because it is not given here. Okay, fine.